Hi, I'm Bryan with Nobilico. Today we are going to demonstrate how to use the Nobilico Splice cable. This cable right here. So for demonstration purposes, we've already disconnected the old RDL, and as we disconnected the old RDL, we used our color code sheet over here on the right. The orange went with the TX, the orange white went with the RX, the green white went with the VS, and the brown white went with the ground. So we know our color codes from the receiver that we cannot see, right? So as we've done that, we have placed some connectors in your box, and we're going to take this cable, and on the right of our sheet, the Nobilico color code will be on the right side. Okay, so we know that our blue is going to go with our orange. So you want to take one of your clips and go with your orange. Just like so. Get your pliers out, clamp it together. Look at the back, make sure you get a good connection, and then just continue down your sheet. So the yellow for the RX on our Nobilico splicer. We'll go with the orange white. Get you one more of your connectors. Flip it, make sure on all these you make sure you have good connections. Alright, so we got our red for the green white. Alright, get us another one of these. Connect. And obviously our black is going to go with our white brown. Alright. Check your connections again. Alright, everything looks good. So now what you do is this jack will go on your COM port 3 input. Tighten it in. And then put your USB cable right in the front USB port. Right here is your power cable that we already have connected. And then, of course, your DSL. It's all powered up and it's ready to go.